Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw SANS from Undertale. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around like this. I'm going to leave a little bit of space, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around and then come back to here. Now, inside of here, I'm going to draw a circle kind of towards the middle. And then I'm just going to color both of these big circles in. So that way I just have a big black circle with a little white circle right in the center. Just like this. Next, we're going to draw the nose. Now the nose is just a little triangle. So right in between the eyes, you're just going to draw a little triangle. And then you just want to color this in as well. Now for the mouth. Starting here, you just want to make a little smiley face. And then put two little curves at the end. Then you're just going to make a little bit taller smiley face right here. And then you're just going to draw some little lines going down for the teeth, just like this. Now, starting here, we're going to make the head. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve around to here. So I'm going to start here, and then I'm just going to draw this line that's just going to curve right to there. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here. Just draw a little line that's just going to curve around, and then it's going to come right to there. Now, starting here, we're going to make his outfit. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw two little lines that go down like this. And then I'm going to add two more lines on each side. Then I'm going to add a little line that goes right across here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes out, and that's going to curve back. And then another little one that goes out, and then it's just going to curve back. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and in for his arm. And then one right here. It's going to go down and then in. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down on each side. And then I'm going to connect it to here. I'm going to kind of go up, down, and then back up again. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line down and then one over here for his legs. And then he's got like some really baggy shorts on, so I'm going to draw two curved lines. And then just meet them in the middle with a little triangle shape. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little line that curves up and down, and then it's just going to connect at the bottom. Then I'm just going to make a line that goes over and up. And then a line right here that goes over and curves. So then same thing right here. Just a little line that curves up and down. It's going to go over and connect. Then a line that goes over and up. And one that goes over and then connects. And there you go. There is your drawing of SANS from Undertale. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.